Do you want more practice for stimulus-based conversation? Nothing beats practicing on real PSLE SBC questions. Let's do it together today. Welcome to SmartPath SG, where every student can learn, grow, and succeed. This is episode 1 of our 3-part series on English oral SBC practice using a real PSLE stimulus. Today we'll look at how to read the picture, how to apply the 3-layer approach during your preparation time, how to structure your answer using the OREO Framework, and walk through 2 full-mark model answers. First, let's quickly review PSLE English oral marking criteria. Basically, it's about engagement and language. Can you express your opinions clearly and appropriately to hold the listener's attention? Can you speak fluently with precise vocabulary and correct grammar? Let's dive into a real PSLE test next. Here is the photo stimulus from PSLE 2023 Day 1. It's called the Fantastic Future Exhibition. Now you have the stimulus, how will you prepare for the conversation? During your 5 minutes of preparation, read the photo carefully and prepare in 3 layers. First, observe what objects, people, activities are depicted. Use precise vocabulary, not a robot, but a humanoid robot interacting with a visitor. Second, interpret. What feeling or purpose does the image convey? Third, connect. How does this relate to your personal experience or to a broader issue that matters to people your age? Every strong answer moves through these 3 layers. Remember the golden rule. Say more than you are asked. If the examiner asks, "What do you see?" don't stop at a description. Offer an interpretation. Add a personal connection. Give the examiner's material to respond to. Now, question 1. Would you be interested in visiting this exhibition? Why or why not? This is an opinion question. There is no wrong answer. The examiners are evaluating how you think and communicate, not what you conclude. Regardless of your stance, state it clearly in the very first sentence. If yes, I would definitely be interested in visiting this exhibition, and these are the reasons. If no, I would not be very interested. Let me explain why. Confident, direct, committed. That's how you open. Structure your answer using OREO Framework. O is your opinion. That's the clear stance you take in the very beginning, in 1 or 2 confident sentences. R is reason 1 plus elaboration. Explain your first reason and connect it to something personal. E is reason 2 plus elaboration, a genuinely distinct reason. The final O is your overall closing thought. Step back, acknowledge the other side, or offer a bigger picture reflection. OREO works for every opinion question in the oral exam. Now let's look at a model yes answer. Yes, I would be very interested in visiting this exhibition. The activities look genuinely hands-on and immersive, which is exactly the kind of learning I find most meaningful. Visitors can actually talk to a robot and ride a flying car, not just read about them. I have never seen a real robot up close before, and I think that would be thrilling. Beyond that, the exhibition covers global changes that feel deeply relevant to someone my age. Learning about them in an interactive setting would be far more memorable than a classroom lesson. An exhibition like this seems like a perfect opportunity to feel excited, rather than anxious, about the changes ahead. Notice how it opens with a clear stance, moves to a specific reason about the hands-on activities, adds a second distinct reason about global relevance, and closes with a broader reflection. The bolded phrases, hands-on and immersive, deeply relevant, excited rather than anxious, are the vocabulary upgrades that earn language marks. Now here is a model no answer. While I can see why many people would enjoy this exhibition, I have to admit I would not be the most enthusiastic visitor. My interests lie more in the arts and humanities. An exhibition at a heritage museum would excite me far more. I also wonder whether the experience would be as impressive in reality as the poster suggests. These exhibits can feel rushed or crowded, which might make it less enjoyable than anticipated. That said, I respect that this exhibition serves an important purpose, helping young people think about the future. It is simply not the kind of visit that would excite me personally. Notice that a well-reasoned no is just as valid and sometimes more impressive than a predictable yes. This answer acknowledges what the exhibition offers, explains honestly why it wouldn't excite this particular student, raises a thoughtful second concern about the gap between poster and reality, and closes with genuine respect for the exhibition's purpose. Authentic, reasoned, balanced. The fastest way to elevate your oral test score is to upgrade your vocabulary. Here are 4 examples. Instead of "it's fun," say "thrilling" or "thought-provoking." Instead of "I can learn things," say "it offers a meaningful learning experience." Instead of "robots are cool," say "the prospect of interacting with a robot fascinates me." Instead of "I liked it," say "it left a deep impression on me." After question 1, the examiner may probe further with 1 or 2 follow-up questions. For example, What is the most interesting activity in the poster? Or push you on whether technology makes life better or worse, or ask if you've visited the Science Center before, or why exhibitions like this matter for young people. For each of these, state your position clearly. Use specific examples, balanced views, and personal connections. You don't memorize scripts, but you do prepare your thinking. The examiners are not just listening to what you say, they are watching how you say it. Make eye contact. Vary your tone. Show genuine enthusiasm or genuine thoughtfulness. A student who speaks with warmth and conviction will always stand out. Let's put it all together. Once you have the photo stimulus, prepare in 3 layers. Observe, interpret, connect. Open with a clear, confident stance. Use OREO to build your full answer. Upgrade your vocabulary. Replace fun with stimulating. Replace cool with fascinating. And engage in a real conversation. We will continue in episode 2 about a place of interest in Singapore you visited or want to visit. Thanks for watching. Head over to smartpathsg.com to play our free PSLE practice game or join our community for more tips and resources. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week.